Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Nissan Pathfinder with a key. First, ensure you have your physical key in hand. Walk to the driver's side door and insert the key into the lock cylinder. Give the key a firm turn clockwise to unlock the door. You should hear a click, indicating the door is now open. This simple first step gets you ready to enter your vehicle and begin your journey. Once the door is unlocked, gently pull the handle and open it. Step inside your Nissan Pathfinder, making sure you are comfortably seated. If you have passengers, ensure they are also safely inside and buckled up. Close the door firmly, listening for the secure latching sound. Take a moment to adjust your seat and mirrors to your preferred driving position for safety and comfort. Now direct your attention to the steering column, where you'll find the ignition switch. Take your physical key and carefully insert it into the ignition slot. Push the key in completely until it is fully seated within the cylinder. It should slide in smoothly without resistance. If you encounter any difficulty, gently jiggle the key or try reinserting it, but never force it. With the key fully inserted, place your right foot firmly on the brake pedal. Now, turn the key clockwise to the on position, which will illuminate your dashboard lights. Continue turning the key further to the start position. Hold it there for just a moment until the engine cranks and starts. Once the engine is running, release the key, and it will spring back to the on position automatically. You are now ready to drive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.